Yeah, it's official. Congratulations, Tellcoin. Congratulations, Tellcoin fam. Let's get to it. And welcome back, Crypto Geeks. I am the one they call Squeak. I have some positive, good, bullish news for you guys today. Check this out. Senator Julie Slammer. Oh, thank you, Senator Julie Slammer, for being on top of your game plan. Miss Slammer, she just tweeted, it's official. LB649, Nebraska's bill to establish a statewide cryptocurrency and digital asset bank framework has been signed into law by Governor Ricketts. Well, what do you know? What do you know? If you ain't been bullish on Tellcoin, I don't know what you're smoking, but you need to put it out. Check this out. Thank you, Senator Mike Flood and Tellcoin team, for leading the charge. We're bringing crypto to the Corn Belt. And Miss Senator Julie Slammer, she tweets this in response to herself. If you're passionate about crypto, please consider moving to Nebraska, especially my district in southeast Nebraska, which is Richardson, Pawnee, Namiah, I guess that's how you say that, Johnson, Otay counties and the Otay counties. We're leading in the fintech and have wonderful communities and would love to have you here. Now, I was leaning more towards moving towards Florida. No, we got to check that out. It might not be a good look for brothers to be in Nebraska. So we gotta research that a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just in case. But anyway, let's jump right back into it. Cody Coon on Twitter. Cody Coon, give this guy a follow at COTYKUHN. If Cody doesn't know it, it ain't happening when it comes to Tellcoin. And again, Cody, he tweets, the state of Nebraska and Tellcoin have just made history. Congratulations to everyone that made this possible. Tellcoin team, you guys and girls did it right. I couldn't be more proud to watch you crush the space silently over the past 3 years. Tellcoin has been doing damage behind the scenes, and no one has been covering it. No one. I mean, yeah, our crypto influencers and Twitter followers and influencers, we've been on top of our game. We've been doing our due diligence. But I'm talking about the exchanges, the media. Nobody's been on top of this, man. And it's really crazy how much that they're doing without the publicity, without the mass marketing that some of these other altcoins have. Think about that. Right? Let me jump over here. In getting this bill signed into law, LB649, it will allow for Tellcoin to eventually become a bank. I'm gonna put this link in the description. I had some people ask me to start putting my links in the description. I will put my links in the descriptions. Now the Twitters, you can find the Twitter people and influencers on your own, but I will start putting the links in the description. But here, let me get right back down to the meat and potatoes right here. Nebraska Financial Innovation Act, LB649, is more important than you think. A Tellcoin partnership with the bank in Nebraska is imminent before the release of version 3. Follow along. LB649. Earlier this year, Nebraska Senator Mike Flood introduced a bill which intended to turn the state of Nebraska into a fintech hub. His objective was to remain competitive with the state of Wyoming, which has been making waves in the crypto landscape since 2020. This led to Tellcoin CEO Paul Nooner appearing before the Nebraska legislature to discuss a digital asset banking charter. If you've been following Tellcoin since the beginning, you know that wherever they plant a seed, things start moving, i.e. the Philippines, Canada, Singapore, Australia, Nigeria, etc., etc., etc. So what does this mean? Banking charter. That's what this means. A banking charter is a document authorizing the operation of a financial institution whose main role is to accept and safeguard monetary deposits from individuals and organizations, as well as lend money. This banking charter focuses specifically on digital assets, and we know that Tellcoin will be custodian of both fiat and cryptocurrency. Essentially, this bill was tailor-made for Tellcoin. I'm gonna send you the link to this. Paul Nooner tweeted the other day, we are working already with 10 different banks. That doesn't mean we are going to announce partnerships with them. Our goal is not to pump crypto news, but that would be the end of us. Example, Libra. Y'all remember Libra and Facebook, and now they're called DM. This is huge. If you're not bullish on Tellcoin, not financial advice, but you need to get off your ass, man, and get you some goddamn Tellcoin. I'm just saying, I don't know what's wrong with you. But anyway, one more thing. Before you guys go, please watch this video to the end. Well, I had a theory for you about this crash. I know you don't want to talk about the crash. Nobody wants to talk about the crash. My last video didn't even get that many views because I was talking about buying the dips and all of that and buying the crash. But check this out. I got some good news on that. Yeah, we got the regulation thing going on where they're cracking down on regulations on crypto. The IRS is cracking down. The Treasury Department is cracking down. China is cracking down. Elon Musk is Elon Musk. But also, did you guys know that Bitcoin traders using up to 100-to-1 leverage were driving some of the wildest swings in cryptocurrency? Yeah, which is also a big factor in that crash. Now listen, you gotta check this out because I got some other news right behind this that's really is gonna help you out. I'm gonna just read it out, some key points real quick. Traders taking excessive risk in the Bitcoin market being forced to sell when the price goes down were the bigger culprits of last week's 30% drop in the Bitcoin prices, according to analysts. Bitcoin traders liquidated roughly 12 billion in levered positions last week as the price of the cryptocurrency spiraled, according to Bybit.com, a cryptocurrency futures trading platform. Selling begets more selling until you come to an equilibrium on leverage in the system. I'm gonna leave a link to this article because I'm still stoked on Tellcoin. I don't even want to bring any bad news, but behind this, if you lost any money in that dip, right? If you lost any money in that dip, Bitcoin crash opens door to a tax loophole for investors. Did you see that? This is according to the CNBC. So you can actually take advantage of that dip. Yeah. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies have seen prices plunge in recent weeks. These investors can leverage those losses in a way that a typical stock or mutual fund investor can't. That's because the so-called wash sale rule doesn't apply to crypto, according to financial advisors. There are important caveats. Crypto investors may be shell-shocked by a recent plunge in prices, but that sell-off has a silver lining. It opens the door to a money-saving tax strategy. Popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum shed more than half of their value in volatile trading over the past month or so. A Bitcoin investor who bought at a mid-April peak of around 65,000 and sold low on Wednesday at about 30,000 would have lost about 54%, for example. But crypto losses are treated differently than those of stocks and mutual funds. Remember that. Crypto losses are treated differently than those of stocks and of mutual funds. That's because so-called wash sale rule don't apply according to financial advisors. Listen to this closely, guys. Listen to this. This offers two benefits for crypto investors. They can sell crypto for a loss and then use that loss to reduce or eliminate capital gains tax on winning investments. Then they can quickly buy back the crypto sold as not to miss out on the subsequent rebound price. Did y'all catch that? I'm going to read that one more time for you guys in case you didn't catch that. You can sell your crypto for a loss then use that loss to reduce or eliminate capital gains tax on winning investments. And then you can turn around and quickly buy back the crypto that you sold so you don't miss out on a subsequent rebound price. All right. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't offer financial advice. I'm gonna leave the link to this article in the description for you guys to go in here and read it yourself and do your own due diligence. Congratulations, Tellcoin. Congratulations, Nebraska, TelFam. Anybody and everybody who invested in Tellcoin, anybody that's been a part of this project, congratulations. I am going in and buying more Tellcoin as soon as I finish making this video. It is going to be massive, I'm telling you. All right, that's going to do it for me. I am Squeak the Crypto Geek. You have been watching The Reset. Over here, we keep it at 100. I am not a financial advisor, and I do not offer financial advice. Y'all know the motto.
Hustle at your own risk.